Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to guide you through 3 different ways to update Firefox on Ubuntu system. Whether you are using the default version, the snap package, or want the latest manually installed version, I will walk you through each step. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. In the first method, if you are using the standard version of Firefox that comes pre-installed on Ubuntu, which is usually the snap package, you can update it easily through the terminal. Simply open your terminal by pressing Ctrl+Alt+T and your terminal should appear in front of you. After that, you will find a command in the description box below and you can copy and paste it or directly copy it from the screen. Then hit enter and enter your password. This command tells Snap, Ubuntu's software manager, to check for updates and apply them to Firefox. As you can see, currently my Firefox has no updates available, but if you have any pending updates, it will do it automatically. In the second method, if you prefer not to use the terminal, we can use the graphical method. The first step is to open the software updater by searching for it in the application menu. Once you open the software updater, it will automatically start scanning your system. If a Firefox update is available, it will show the result here. You can click on the details of updates to see all the necessary pending updates. For example, a Google Chrome update may be pending. To update it, simply click on Install Now. It may ask for your password, which you should enter, and the installation will start automatically. Wait a few minutes, and after the update is completed, all software will be up to date. In the third method, if you want the very latest version from Firefox and do not want to wait for Ubuntu's update system, you can install Firefox manually. To do this, download Firefox from the official website by going to any browser and searching for Firefox download, then open the official web page. Click on Download Firefox and choose the correct version for your system. Once the download starts, wait a few seconds, and when it is complete, go to the Downloads folder. Inside the folder, extract the Firefox folder using Ubuntu's default extractor, then click on Extract and wait until the extraction is completed. Once extraction is done, you can launch Firefox by going inside the folder and the next folder, then opening the terminal from this section by right-clicking and selecting Open in Terminal. In the terminal, type /Firefox and hit Enter. Wait a few seconds and this will launch the latest Firefox without affecting your system installed version. You can even create a desktop shortcut if you use it regularly. So that's it. Your Firefox browser should now be up to date using any of these methods. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching and take care.